All right, Midwestern State University Engineering Automations Lab. Go and take an overview of the lab itself. Just a quick view. Two Kawasaki robots here. We have a mini mill, PLCs. Our safety, we got a fire extinguisher here. Inspected of March 2020 with an eye wash station and a first aid kit. So now we'll go to Dr. John Brink. He's the instructor of this lab, and he will speak to you.
Okay. Over here we have some 5 different PLC trainers. They're old SLC 505 trainers, but they're still good trainers. They use address-based formatting and addressing. We have a PC, we have the PLC, and here's a HMI human machine interface, and we do motor control. Here's the motor and the variable speed drive. I provide the students with the lab book, and we do quite a few labs here where they work in groups of, it's going to be 2 students per trainer now, and we're going to use every other trainer. And in normal times we use 3 people per trainer. Over here we have some other PLCs. These are the Amatrol PLC trainers that we purchased. This is an Allen Bradley Compact Logix PLC, and then an HMI PanelView Plus 600. And here's the PC software that resides there, the RS Logix 5000 and Factory Studio. And then here we can do different experiments like temperature control, motor control, and stepper motor control here that we can simulate. And again, we have a total of 5 of these. You see 4 of them here. There's one more trainer that we have to get through here, and then here's the other trainer right here. Now, what you see here also is some projects that we have for senior design. And this is an old project that many students have worked on before, that they used a robot and then a conveyor line and a hopper, and they did all kinds of sorting operations and drilling operations, but we haven't used this in many years. This is an old robot here. And then over here is a project that the students were working on last year. It's a sorting machine for pencils that get sharpened, okay? And the pencils would be dropped in here, and then the sorting operation would take place, and you know, to distinguish if the correct side is up, and one side will be sharpened, the other side can't be sharpened because the eraser is there. And this project was abandoned in the middle of the semester because of the COVID-19. We hope to work on it this semester again and finish this up. Over here you see a new Kawasaki robot here, and then over here would be a vision system for inspection, and then the students have to design a lot of the pneumatics, but again we have to abandon this. Then here is a table for an old project. This is kind of standing in the way right now. We're just using it for storage, but the new project will be built. We're going to take this table apart. We're building a new table with the project on it, so this will disappear. But that's for the senior design projects that I do with students. The PLCs are actually used for the Meng 4122, and from a safety viewpoint, we already want to point this out here. We have over here our first aid kit, our eye cleaning liquid, and then here a fire extinguisher, and it has a inspection date on it, 2020 here, and it was done in March. And that's about all about this lab.